That was Amazing Grace on a key of B flat harmonica, played on the first octave in the first position. Now I'm going to play it on a key of C harmonica in the first octave in the first position, but just a simple melody line only for beginners. Please like this video and add comments or ask me questions about how to play this song. And please subscribe to this channel, Harmonica Lessons NYC, and my website, harmonicalessonsnyc.com. Stay tuned for other versions of Amazing Grace. Thank you.